taking on this role, I looked at the history of this university. And I think it's remarkable that there was a group of leaders back in 1957 that said, we are going to establish a university that's going to be done a little bit differently. Even though we have a lot of natural resources, it's our human capital that's going to matter. And I can think of no better place in the world to help drive that and make that happen than our university system. This university is very much the center of innovation on all dimensions, not just technology, but also on the social side. We have a lot to offer the world. Congratulations to the graduates and to your parents and family for helping you get where you are. Thank you.